Ride the ridge the whole way?
You can. It's not light enough to stay down.
I'll be damned. I mean, it's not heavy enough to stay down.
I think it's also like a contradiction. Sometimes they can be too heavy.
What's that?
The rig. They
Yeah.
get too heavy and they just slide down.
Oh, thank you.
That's not very good,
It's not a minimum and maximum weight for this ride. Got these little lock tag on.
I tried this on my TRX here before, but I couldn't make it.
I've done this with the 6
We'll drop a Loctite.
TRX 6?
or the axial SCX 6.
Yeah.
The big one that was in my back seat.
Oh, really? That's cool. Oh, I
Fucking red.
almost caused a problem there.
That's the first screwdriver?
That's the total. And then this U-turn here.
Oh, I got one. But I'm going to change the top one with that one too. Battery issues? You need a battery? Oh.
Yeah. I just came down to my blog and I think I'm like,